Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sobia Zahid. I am your English teacher. Today we are going to learn a poem, The Mullbery Bush. This is a poem in which you will see some children are discussing their routine. So we will read this chapter. This is a poem, The Mullbery Bush. Open your books, page number 24. We will read this poem. The Mullbery Bush. Words to know: early, before the usual time. Before the usual time यानी कुछ पहले. Early mean कुछ पहले. Iron, to make cloth smooth. Iron, to make cloth smooth. Sweep, to clean something by moving dirt away with a brush or a broom. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. These are the jobs we do all week, do all week, do all week. These are the jobs we do all week so early every morning. इस poem में you can see that the children are singing and they are discussing about their week routine, and they discuss that what they do on different days of a week. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we iron our clothes, iron our clothes, iron our clothes. This is the way we iron our clothes so early Tuesday morning. So this was reading of your poem, and you see that here are using some rhyming words in this poem. So poems are some piece of writing in which we use rhyming words, and you see in this poem that the children are discussing about their routine of a week, what they do on different days of a week. This bookwork is done in your booklet, and we will do this worksheet from the booklet. So come to your booklet and we will do worksheet of MCQs and also the exercise which is given in your book. So open your booklets. The Mullbery Bush. Circle the correct answer. Who is speaking in the poem? You are given 3 words: children, boys and girls. Right option is children. Second is, what jobs do the children have? You are given 3 options: sweep, wash and iron and mop. The right option is B, wash and iron. Number 3, what do the children do on Tuesday? Wash, sweep and iron. The right option is C, iron. Fourth, how many days are there in one week? 7, 6 and 4. You know very well that there are 7 days in a week, so A is the right option. Now come to your second worksheet, which is bookwork of your booklet. Part C, verb or doing words. A word which shows an action is called verb, or the doing words or action words are called verb. Look at the pictures and make sentences by using proper verb from the box for each picture. Follow the given example. You have to write this is, and here you will write the name of the person, and then you will use some pronoun which would be he or she, and you have to write the action which he or she is doing. See the first picture. Ali You will write the sentence like this. This is Ali. This is Ali. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Sleeping is the action word. It is called verb. See the next picture. Imran. This is Imran. This is Imran. Always write the first letter of the name capital. The name should be capitalized. This is Imran. He is reading. Reading is verb or action word. Turn the page. Come on the next page. Here you can see a picture of a girl, Parveen. So you will write, this is Parveen. This is Parveen. Parveen should be capitalized. She is, we will use pronoun she. She is brushing. Your writing should be neat and clean. Next picture is Sadia. What she doing? She is washing. This is, first of all you will write, this is Sadia. Mark full stop. She is washing. Mark the full stop. Next picture is of a boy, Salman. You will write, this is Salman. Salman. Full stop. What is he doing? He is combing. Farah. This is Farah. Farah. Full stop. She is carrying a basket. Mark the full stop over here. So children, this was your worksheet about the verb which is given on page number 26 and 27, but you have to do this work on your booklet. I hope you understand all your lesson and bookwork very well, but you have to practice it on your rough copy or any other copy which you have at home, and do practice read and write regularly so that you can learn and write and read each and everything